Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I will be doing this look today. It's like a pinkish purplish look, smoky eye look that I made, and I don't know, I just love it. I did post this on my Instagram page and I got good amount of likes and DMs asking me to redo this look. So I don't know, I'm gonna redo it for you guys. Stay tuned if you want to know how I did it, and like, it's simple. This is like, everybody can do this, I believe. Like, any beginner can do this look. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna go on my espresso eyebrow cream from e.l.f. and my angled liner brush to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna lift these brows up, well, the brows I have left, so you know, disappearing brows. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Stay Matte Revlon foundation. The reason why I'm using this because I can't find my concealer. The last person who had it was my sister, and yeah, she said she didn't know where it is. So as always, okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit on a flat surface to conceal my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm going to conceal my eyelids with the rest of the cream I put on the flat surface, just to make the eyeshadow pop. Now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend it out. I'm going to go with my Airspun Setting Translucent Powder. I'll be using my Morphe palette, 35C palette that I got from Amazon for like $30. Yes, $30. Trust me, I cried when I said place in cart. Like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Concealer brush. I don't use it for concealer because it looks like a big fluffy brush. Like, I don't know, it don't look like a concealer brush to me. I think they probably forgot, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here and put it as a translucent color. So now I'm gonna go in my NYX palette that I got from Target for I think $10 or $15, not sure. I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here and just put it right under the translucent but above the crease area. Now I'm gonna go back in my Morphe palette, flat brush eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in this dark pinkish purplish color and put it on my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Pore-less face primer and my black Opal invisible oil blocking primer. This costs $10 and this costs $6. I put it together mostly because I don't want to waste this. Like, it was $10. Like, come on. Like, no. So I put it on my most oily spots, like my nose, my forehead, and my upper cheek area under my eyes. Those are the most spots where you really see like oils and stuff. And then for the rest of my face, I put the e.l.f. So alrighty. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Maybelline Pore-less foundation in the color 370 with my flat Wet n Wild foundation brush. Yeah, we going affordable brushes here. I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit on the brush, a little bit, That's how I like put foundation on my face. And it's just gonna pat it. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Stay Matte foundation and then like a lighter shade in mine. This shade is 504 Deep Mocha. I don't know why I thought I was light skinned, but I did. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight my T-zone. Alright. Now I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender, but I'm going to spray some setting powder on it. I'm not setting powder, setting spray on it. This is my Master Fix setting spray. Now I'm going to go back in with my True Complexion contour palette in a medium to dark. This is a Black Radiant palette. I'm going to go in with my flat blush brush. I don't know, it just applies product better than my beauty blender. So I'm just going to go in with the highlight part. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut my cheeks area to contour. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it out. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in the same palette and contour using my Wet n Wild contour brush. I did record this video several times, maybe because I just wasn't funny in the other video. I'm not funny now, but you know, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? You know, you just can't be funny all the time, you know? I'm about to sculpt my forehead because this would be the biggest thing on my face, so let's get it. I'm going to go back in with the same, like the dual, this is an Equal Tools brush. I'm going to go back in and just to take out all the setting powder that I put on my highlight zones. Now I'm just going to contour my nose to make it look a little bit slimmer than it is because everybody knows big, so let's get it. Now I'm going to put my lashes on my eye. I don't know why I forgot that. I don't know why I skipped that, but you know. It is what it is. Alright. I'm going to use Dual Eyelash Enhancing Cream. I just love this because it's clear when it dries. So you don't want, you know, because I had no liner on my eyes. I'm not going to put any liner. And instead of getting the black one where it stains the freaking eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with my Kiss 4-in-1 lashing and this one right here. I'm gonna put 2 on each eye because this one you can't really see it. So yeah. Okay. Whew. Okay. Now, finally, I always take forever to put on lashes. So lashes just wild down there. Wild. Now I'm gonna go in with my very sexy mascara that I got from the beauty supply store. You know, Ruby Kisses. So I'm gonna try to stick my natural lash with the falsies and do the bottom lash. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to my NYX palette, just like, cause I don't have pink blush or any. I have orange blush, but you know, I'm not gonna use that one. So I'm gonna go in with my Youth Spice brush. I have no idea what it's called, so I'm just gonna call it like a big powder brush. So I'm gonna go back in with a pink shade, just a little bit, and then go on my smile a little bit, and then go on my cheeks. I'm gonna go with my Baby Lips by Maybelline. I don't know what shade is this, but it's pinkish a little bit, but it comes out clear. I'm going to kind of prime my lips. Snatchers. Right. Now I'm gonna go in with my brown. This is a matte lipstick I got from the beauty supply store. I think it was $150, $250. Not sure. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline 140 Felicia Fever. So it's like a little pink color, like in the middle of my lips. And it's rubbed together. Now I'm gonna go back in this next palette just to highlight my face. So I'm gonna go with my Real Technique Multi-Purpose Cheeks brush. Use my setting spray to set everything to make sure it just stays on my face all day and not disappear throughout the day. So now this is the finishing look, like a smoky pink eye, full glam, like simple. Not too, it's not hard. It is super easy to do, you know. Just alright, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this look. It's very simple, pink smoky eye, no liner. Well, kind of, when you don't really, well, you don't, it's not a liner. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram to keep updated on my new looks that will be coming. And yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll be willing, and I'll answer it right away because I'm literally always on my phone. Always. At work, at home, in my shower. I lied. Okay. Thank you for watching.